One day, Lina made a paper bird and whispered, I wish you could fly. Suddenly, the bird's wings moved. It flew out the window. Lina ran through streets and alleys, chasing it. At last, the bird landed on an old man's shoulder. The old man smiled and said, Your bird came to me because you believed in it. Then the paper bird slowly folded back into his hands. The man added, Dreams can fly, but only if you believe in them. So, the moral of the story is, if you believe in yourself, your dreams can come true.